On today's video, I'm going to show you a style that you can do using this braiding hair. This is a synthetic hair extension. It is from Hairdo. You know I have a lot of their hair pieces. This is the 26-inch Braid Me Up ponytail hair extension. So what this is a hair tie that you would wrap around your hair, and then it is broken into 3 sections so that you can easily braid it with the tail piece that you can wrap around to hide the hair tie. So I'm going to show you a really pretty easy style that you can do using this extension. Now today is day 3 of not washing my hair, so it is always an up style day, and this style I think is actually also really great for the holidays. If you need something quick and easy, or you just aren't really great at styling your hair and you don't know what to do, using a hair extension is an awesome trick for adding more hair, making your hair a little easier to work with, or allowing the hair extension to do most of the work for you. So I'm going to do a center part. You could do this all the way back. You could do a side part. I didn't put any fresh dry shampoo in my hair today. I want it to be a little greasy. If you're doing this on clean hair, I would suggest adding some smoothing products so that you can slick your hair down. But I love doing slick styles on no wash hair days because then my natural oils do that for me and I can just add some hairspray on top when I'm finished. So I'm just going to brush everything back into a low ponytail. You can also use a boar bristle brush when you're doing smoothing if you struggle with bumps. The boar bristle brush is really great for helping you get a really smooth finish. And then I'm just going to tie my hair in a ponytail with whatever hair tie you want. I would suggest a smaller hair tie though, not like a scrunchie or anything too bulky, because then you are going to tie this next hair tie on top.
You're going to wrap the extension around your ponytail. This can feel tricky at first to just tie the hair tie and not take the hair extension with it, but it is possible. Just might take you a couple tries the first time. And tighten it up nice and good, and then make sure you flip the extension hair to the top so your natural ponytail is underneath. Make sure you get that piece that you're going to wrap around out of the way, and then you're going to make sure you're holding your natural hair and the extension together, and then you're going to separate those 3 sections, making sure you have a little bit of your natural hair with each of the 3 sections that you have separated out from the hair tie. And then you'll just start braiding like a normal braid as far as you can down the back, and then you can move the hair over your shoulder once it gets too long.
Now, once I have gotten to the point where I can't reach anymore, I turn around and I keep braiding over my shoulder. I kind of lost, there we go. Lost a grip there for a second. Reorganize, there we go, all that hair. Try to keep a good hold on it because as you can see, it can kind of get to be a little messy if you don't hold on to it well. Now, you can see here some of my natural hair is kind of poking out, but we're actually going to be wrapping this braid into a bun, so I'm not going to worry about that. If you were going to leave it as a braid, you want to make sure you kind of are really meticulous about getting those sections of your hair tucked in. But if you are doing a bun style like I'm doing here, then it's not really going to matter because the part of the hair closest to the hair tie is going to get buried underneath everything. All right, then we're gonna use another hair tie. I'm always using colored hair ties so you guys can see them really easily, but I do suggest using a clear one. That way you don't have to worry about making sure it's hidden. Then we're just gonna take this piece and wrap it around the hair tie. Again, it doesn't really matter because we're doing a bun style, but I'm just gonna wrap it around and I'll show you the rest of the stuff in the back again.
You're going to wrap the tail around the hair tie area. You literally don't need to worry about if it's covering the hair tie. It didn't cover my hair tie here, but we're going to cover the entire base of this style with the bun. So this is just to get it out of the way. Then I like to take my braid from the bottom and wrap up towards the top, all the way around, and then making sure that you've securely tucked the hair tie and the ends underneath the bun. Then you're just going to go around the perimeter and strategically add hairpins. I like to use hairpins instead of bobby pins here. They're a little bigger for such a big style until it feels nice and secure.
And there we go. That is the style. This is a very chic, elegant, it kind of reminds me of a dancer's hairstyle. But obviously I could not do this without adding the hair. You could also use a regular ponytail hair extension and do this, but this one being separated into 3 sections definitely gets itself into a braid really nicely and really easily, but any hair extension is going to do the trick. So pretty. Definitely relatively easy for what comes out to be a pretty chic looking hairstyle, and people are definitely going to think you have a lot of hair and that your hair, if you get a right color match, is just the bun. I mean, people won't even notice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that gives you another style that you can add to your hairstyle repertoire, and maybe something fun for you to try this holiday season with your hair, especially if you already have a ponytail hair extension kicking around. Give it a try it in a braid, give that braid a wrap, and do a really pretty bun. Remember, you don't always have to do the styles exactly like I do them. You don't have to do a part. You can do a full slick back. You don't have to do a slick back at all. You could do it with a softer pullback. You could leave hair out, bangs, whatever you want. Have fun with it. Make it yours and experiment. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and subscribe because you know it helps me grow my channel here. I'll see you next time. Bye.